If you've seen TikTok videos showcasing fascinating facts about countries, you might wonder how to create similar content. Don't worry, I've got you covered. This trending geography niche is perfect for both YouTube and TikTok, offering a monetizable and viral opportunity. Start by asking ChatGPT for video ideas within your niche, like fascinating geographical facts, extreme places around the world, or even trending global news. For example, you could ask, can you suggest a list of fascinating, extreme locations for a short video? Or explore current trending topics to capture audience attention. Once you have a topic, like the coldest place on Earth, ask ChatGPT to craft a short, captivating script. Personalize the script to match your style and ensure it resonates with your audience. Next, gather your visuals to bring your project to life. Begin with Google Earth, sign in, and create a new project. Search for your location, like Oymyakon in Siberia, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Use screen recording or capture high-quality screenshots of the stunning zoom-in animation to set the stage for your story. Double-click and hold the zoom in or out button to capture new scenes seamlessly. Upload these visuals to Canva and elevate them using its extensive library of stock elements. Add animated stickers, glowing markers, and country flags to enhance the storytelling. Customize text overlays with engaging fonts, colors, and animations to introduce key facts dynamically. Apply effects like zoom, pan, and color gradients to spotlight specific areas, ensuring your visuals captivate your audience. For professional narration, use 11 Labs to generate a clear and engaging voiceover.
Imagine living in a place so cold, your eyelashes freeze the moment you step outside.
Complement this with Canva's stock videos, such as snowy landscapes or extreme weather clips, to create smooth transitions and add depth to your story. Find perfect copyright-free, attribution-not-required music in YouTube audio library to enhance your content. By leveraging Canva's animation tools, you can craft a sleek, professional 9:16 video optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok.
Imagine living in a place so cold, your eyelashes freeze the moment you step outside. Welcome to Oymyakon, Russia, officially the coldest inhabited place on Earth.